Here are the 50 regular action verbs with their first, second, and third forms, and they're used in sentences. 51. Lose. I lose my phone often. She lost her wallet yesterday. The documents have been lost permanently. 52. Make. I make coffee every morning. He made a delicious cake. The arrangements have been made. 53. Meet. I meet new people at events. She met her friend after years. The officials have been met by the team. 54. Open. I opened the windows for fresh air. He opened the gift excitedly. The doors have been opened for everyone. 55. Pay. I pay my bills on time. She paid for the groceries. The fees have been paid already. 56. Play. I play soccer with my friends. He played the piano beautifully. The match has been played fairly. 57. Put. I put my bag on the table. She put the book back on the shelf. The items have been put in order. 58. Read. I read books every night. He read an interesting article yesterday. The novel has been read twice. 59. Ride. I ride my bike to school. She rode a horse last weekend. The bike has been ridden carefully. 60. Run. I run 5 kilometers daily. He ran in the marathon. The race has been run successfully. 61. Say. I say hello to everyone. She said goodbye before leaving. The statement has been said many times. 62. See. I see the mountains from my window. He saw a shooting star. The sights have been seen by all. 63. Sell. I sell handmade crafts online. She sold her car last week. The products have been sold quickly. 64. Send. I send emails daily. He sent a letter yesterday. The package has been sent to the address. 65. Set. I set my alarm for 7 a.m. She set the table for dinner. The plans have been set for next week. 66. Show. I show my work to my manager. He showed his artwork at the gallery. The movie has been shown to the audience. 67. Sing. I sing in the choir. She sang beautifully at the concert. The song has been sung perfectly. 68. Sit. I sit by the window to read. He sat on the bench. The guests have been sat comfortably. 69. Sleep. I sleep 8 hours every night. She slept peacefully. The baby has been slept soundly. 70. Speak. I speak English fluently. He spoke about his experiences. The speech has been spoken well. 71. Spend. I spend time with my family. She spent all her money on shopping. The budget has been spent wisely. 72. Stand. I stand near the door. He stood in the crowd. The items have been stood in a row. 73. Start. I start my day with meditation. She started a new project last week. The program has been started successfully. 74. Steal. I steal glances at the clock. He stole her idea. The money has been stolen from the safe. 75. Study. I study for exams at night. She studied hard last semester. The material has been studied thoroughly. 76. Swim. I swim in the pool every morning. He swam in the ocean last summer. The competition has been swum. 77. Take. I take notes during lectures. She took a photo of the sunset. The medicine has been taken regularly. 78. Teach. I teach math to kids. He taught me a valuable lesson. The class has been taught effectively. 79. Tell. I tell stories to my niece. She told me a secret. The truth has been told to everyone. 80. Think. I think about my future often. He thought deeply before answering. The issue has been thought through. 81. Throw. I throw the ball to my dog. She threw the trash away. The stone has been thrown far. 82. Try. I try new recipes every week. He tried to fix the issue. The solution has been tried multiple times. 83. Understand. I understand your concerns. She understood the concept quickly. The idea has been understood well. 84. Use. I use my phone for work. He used the old tools. The app has been used by many people. 85. Wait. I wait for the bus every morning. She waited for an hour. The guests have been waited on patiently. 86. Wake. I wake up early every day. He woke up late today. The child has been woken up gently. 87. Walk. I walk to work daily. She walked to the park yesterday. The path has been walked many times. 88. Want. I want to visit Europe. He wanted a new car. The opportunities have been wanted for years. 89. Win. I win prizes at competitions. She won the race last week. The trophy has been won proudly. 90. Wish. I wish for success. He wished her on her birthday. The best wishes have been wished to everyone. 91. Work. I work from home. She worked late last night. The report has been worked on carefully. 92. Write. I write poems in my free time. He wrote a letter to his friend. The novel has been written already. 93. Yell. I yell when I'm excited. She yelled at the kids. The warning has been yelled loudly. 94. Zoom. I zoom into the picture for details. He zoomed past the traffic. The camera has been zoomed in properly. 95. Agree. I agree with your idea. They agreed on the new plan. The decision has been agreed upon by all. 96. Allow. I allow myself a treat occasionally. She allowed him to leave early. Permission has been allowed for the project. 97. Believe. I believe in miracles. He believed her story. The truth has been believed for years. 98. Begin. I begin a new chapter today. She began her journey yesterday. The process has begun successfully. 99. Hate. I hate waiting in long lines. He hated being late. The feeling has been hated universally. 100. Admire. I admire her courage. They admired the artwork. The effort has been admired by everyone.